What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Skid and Pump from Friday Night Funkin'. Let's get started by drawing Skid along the top of our page. We're going to start with the eyes. Starting from the top left, let's draw an oval. I'm just going to go out in an angle and then just pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to connect the right eye towards the inside. So let's line this up, coming in towards the inside and then back up towards the top. Let's go to the inside of the left eye and draw a smaller oval for the pupil. And then we'll move up on the right side and draw that again. Let's fill the outside of the eyes in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. From the left eye, we're going to step out. Just going to curve this down underneath the eyes. And just pull that up along the right side. Let's round out the top of the head. Starting on the right, just going to go up towards the top. It's going to bring this down along the left side and down towards the bottom of the head. Now I'm going to curl the bottom of the head coming back up underneath the mouth. I'm going to round this out and just pull that up on the right side. Let's go back to the top corner of the mouth, curve down towards the bottom. It's going to leave a small gap along the bottom of the mouth, going up towards the top. Let's draw in the top row of teeth, starting back over on the left, come down, and then bend that back up. And then we'll layer the tongue in underneath the teeth, starting on the left. Just gonna come around toward the bottom, pull that back up. Now on the inside, curve the center seam coming in and down. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's add a couple lines along the top and bottom of the mouth. Starting up here, draw two short angle lines going up, and then along the bottom, angle down. Let's go to the bottom left and draw a circle for the hand. We're going to start up here, go all the way around, and then back up. And then from the top of the hand, curve the arm going up and in behind the head. Let's move all the way over towards the right side. Starting up here, curve in, and then up, round out the side of the hand, come down towards the bottom. I'm just going to tuck that up underneath. And then from the inside of the hand, draw a straight line coming in towards the head. Let's layer the microphone in behind the hand. Starting on the inside, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, and then back down on the outside. Let's go to the bottom of the hand, draw two short lines coming down, close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add those lines inside the mic. Starting from the top, we're just going to bend this out toward the left, back in towards the middle, go back up to the top, go out, and then in. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the right. Bending this out, and then down. Do that one more time. Now we want to add some lines going across in the opposite direction. Let's start on the left, just split that circle in half with a curve, separate the top, and then the bottom. Now before we draw in the body, we want to move down and draw in Pump's head. Let's start with the eyes. Starting from the center, draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Let's move over and draw the same thing. So we're just going to line this up, come in towards the center, Bend this out, and then up. And it'll draw two ovals along the top, going out toward the side, back up, and then we'll fill the outside of the eyes in black. Let's draw Skid's foot on the left side of Pump's head. We start from the side of the eye, we're going to draw an oval. Going all the way around, down, and then back in toward the side of the eye. And then we'll go back down and draw the top of the mouth, starting underneath the left eye. Come down, and then bend that up. Let's go back to the left side, go out, and then bend that in. Let's draw the bottom of the mouth, starting on the left side, come down, round out the mouth, and then pull that back up on the right. And then we'll layer the tongue along the bottom, starting on the left, come across, bend that down, step up, go out, and then down, and it'll fill the top area of the mouth in black. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move out and draw the outside of the head. Let's start on top of the foot. Just going to curve this up, across, and then down. Let's step back, go out, down, and then hook that in. And then we'll go back underneath the foot, come down, bend that in, come down underneath the mouth, across, and then up. And then we'll close off the bottom of the head. Stepping down, go across, bend that up, just round out the cheek, and then pull that back in. Now we're going to move back up and finish off Pump's body. Let's start from the inside of the hand, draw a straight angle line, coming down and in on top of the head. And then going back over towards the right side, step down, draw another straight line, coming in towards the body, angle down and out. Let's draw a half oval for the foot, starting up here, going up toward the top, and then back down in behind. Let's add that leaf along the top of Pump's head, starting up here, curving this up and across, come down and then in. And we'll add those bones across the body, leaving a gap in the center, curve this out and up on the left and right side. Let's taper that back in. And then we'll close off the inside with a curve. Let's add one more rib on the right side. Coming out and up, coming down in behind, and then we'll round out the inside. Let's go back and fill the inside of the body in black. Now let's move down and draw Pump's hand around the cheeks. We're going to start on the left side, curve the hand going around, bend that in, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll round out the bottom of the palm, going down and then back up underneath the head. Let's go underneath the hands, curve the elbow, coming down and in towards the body. Draw a short line coming down towards the feet. And now we're going to round out the outside of the feet, starting on the left side, go out, round out the foot, and then pull that back in. And then from the inside, draw 2 short lines going up towards the body. Close this off with a straight line. And then just underneath the head in the center, step down, start with a point, and go up and out towards the left and right side. And that's pretty much it. There's Skid and Pump from Friday Night Funkin'. If you enjoyed today's lesson, you can check out more videos in the playlist above. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.